All right, welcome back to class. So, as usual, we are just going to give some time for others to join us. So, once it's 4:10, we are going to start officially. But before then, please, if you've not taken your quiz and you've not done your assignment, this is another opportunity for you to go over Link School app now and do your assignment and your quiz. It is very important, okay? If you've done that, beautiful. But if you've not done that, please go over to Link School app and do it now. All right. So once it's 4:10, we are going to start our class for today. All right. So are we done with our assignments and our quiz? If you're done, go to the chat box and type done so that I can know how many of us are following. Those assignments and those quizzes are very important so that we'll be able to know our progress. So if you're done, please let me know in the chat box as we are still waiting for some minutes, then we can start the class. Okay, I can see someone requesting for the video. Don't worry, very soon the video will be uploaded on the Link School app and then on the YouTube channel. All right, please exercise some patience as the video will be uploaded very soon. Okay. All right. So how many of us are done with the quiz so that we can continue? Please, if you're done, let me know so that we can go ahead with the class. How many of us are done with the quiz? You can react on the chat box or you just raise your hand so that I can know how many of us are done. Then we'll move on with the class. Okay. How many of us are done? Can you hear me? Please, if you can hear me, let me know on the chat box so that I'll be sure that you all can hear me. Okay, so it's 4:12, so we're going to start. I'm going to share my screen to give me a few minutes. Just give me a few minutes so I can share my screen with you and we'll start the class, okay? All right, so can we all see my screen? Chiagoze, sorry, what's showing validation failed? Please, if you can see my screen, type what you're seeing on the chat box so I will know that we are all following. Don't forget, our class is a very interactive class, so do well to please respond when a question is being asked. Okay, the assignment. Oh, sorry about that. Maybe you try that later, okay? Please, if you can see my screen, do well to type what you're seeing on the screen on the chat box so that all right. Beautiful. I love that. Just two persons. The rest, can you see my screen? Please, if you can see, just let me know by typing what you're seeing on the chat box. Okay, so today is the day 2 and we are looking at basic scripting with Lua. Alright, so today alright, no problem there. Later you can go ahead and do the assignment. Alright, so as I said, today's topic we'll be looking at basic scripting with Lua. Alright, so before we continue, we are going to be looking at our lesson objective for the day. So this class will introduce you to the basics of coding using the Lua programming language, specifically within Roblox, to create interactive scripts. You will learn essential commands, logical structures, and practical applications that are suitable for beginners. So these are the things we are planning to achieve by the end of today's class, okay? Now, first of all, what is coding? Coding is the process of writing instructions that a computer can follow to perform specific tasks or solve problems. I'll take that again. Coding is the process of writing instructions that a computer can follow to perform specific tasks or solve problems. It is essential for creating games, apps, and websites. It enables problem solving through basic logic. Okay, so this coding is the process of writing instructions that a computer can actually follow to perform specific tasks, the tasks that you've given it, or to solve problems. All right. Maybe you've not known that. Let me just bring it to your notice that code, it's called a set of instructions. All right. A code is a set of instructions. Why coding now is the process of writing instructions. Okay. Hope you got that. Code is a set of instructions. Coding is the process of writing those instructions that a computer can follow to perform specific tasks. Okay. Now we're going to go on. Now, what is logic? The last sentence we made there, we said it enables problem solving through basic logic. Now, what is logic? Logic means thinking step by step to solve a problem. So, logic is a step by step thinking to solve a particular program. It is the ability to decide what should happen first, what should happen next, and what should happen if something changes. So logic is just that step by step thinking you take to solve a particular problem or a task that you're given. So it's the ability to decide what should come first, and then after that, what should come after that, and things like that. Now, having seen what a logic is, we're going to see importance of logic. Now, logic help you solve problems. All right, we said it's a step by step thinking. So logic helps you to solve problems. Logic helps computers understand instructions. So computers cannot guess what you mean. When you give it something, it can't just guess, okay, maybe this is what you want. No, computers can't guess what you mean. They follow clear instructions. Computer is a garbage in, garbage out kind of device, all right? So whatever you give it is what is going to give you in return. So if you want a clear answer, you have to give it a clear instruction. All right. Now, logic prevents errors in games. When logic is wrong, the game behaves strangely. So your logic has to be correct in your game for it to be able to prevent those errors. All right. Now, logic makes coding easier to understand. Then, when code follows clear logic, it becomes easier to read. Now, these are importance of logic. Don't forget what I said is the meaning of logic. Now, these are the importance of logic. So we're going to be going on. Now, what is Lua? This is the main thing we are seeing today. So Lua is the primary language for scripting in Roblox, making it easy to use and learn. Or you can say that Lua is the language Roblox uses to understand your instructions. All right, so Lua is a primary language, a programming language, but mainly used in Roblox. All right, so you can just easily say that Lua is language that Roblox uses to understand your instructions. Okay, so now moving on, scripts in Roblox. What is a script? In Roblox, a script is a set of commands written in Lua that tells the game what to do. Alright, so in Roblox, a script is a set of commands written in Lua that tells the game what to do. Don't forget, Lua is a programming language. It's the language that Roblox understand. So now this script is set of commands that we write in Lua to tell the game what to do. You can just say it is where we write our code in Roblox Studio. Okay, so you know that what we are using for this game development with Roblox is the Roblox Studio. You don't just use the normal Roblox is just to play game, but for us to be able to build our own game step by step, we'll make use of the Roblox Studio. All right. So now types of scripts. We have the server script. A server script runs on the server. Think of the server as the game manager. It controls things that must be the same for all players. Okay, so this server script, it controls what will be the same for all players, like what we all see generally. For instance, how many of us know that game Candy Crush? How many of us know about that game Candy Crush? Beautiful. All right, so this server script, it's something that runs in all the things we see, like all the server. what we all see. The same thing you are seeing on your Candy Crush is the same thing I'm seeing on my own Candy Crush. So what is in charge of that is what we call the server script. Now server script controls game-wide actions such as giving coins or rewards, controlling enemies or NPCs. Hope we still remember the full meaning of NPC. We did that in our last class, the Minecraft. Do we still remember the meaning of NPCs? If you remember the meaning of NPC, just tell me on the chat box. I love that. Is it just Chiagoze the rest? Do we still remember? Nolly, what's the meaning? What's the full meaning of NPC there? All right. So NPC mean non-player characters, and what is in charge of that is what we call the server script. All right. So still part of the things that this server script controls in the game, we have the opening doors for everyone or handling leader boats. Don't worry, we at the course of this program, not this particular class, but at the course of this program, you're going to get to know the meaning of this leader boat. All right. So going on, we're still on that types of scripts. Don't forget the first one is the server script. And the second is what we call the local script. Now, a local script runs on the player's computer, not the server. It only affects one player, not everyone. So this local script handle player specific tasks like player camera, player camera movement, inventory systems, player control, and then player animation. So people can still remember what this inventory system is all about. So this is what the local script. Don't forget I said that the other server the other server, which is a server script, controls the general thing we see. Okay, it's the general thing, the NPCs, everything about the game. But then this local script controls what we, the player, at a time, one player at a time, what you're going to do, the specific task you're doing. When you're running, maybe another person that is playing the same game might not be running, person might be jumping. So what is in charge of what you're doing at that time is what we call the local script. Okay, so we're now going on. Now, how to add a script. So this is what we're going to do now. We're going to move over to our Roblox studio. So give me some minutes so I can open up mine. Do well to also open yours. So open your Roblox studio so that we can add our script. All right. Right. So my Roblox studio is open. Are we on the same page? Have we all gotten our Roblox studio opened? If yours is open, tell me yes. If yours isn't open yet, just type wait for me and we will do just that. We'll wait for you. Beautiful. All right, the rest, Chiagoze can always change your name. This is the one. All right, Daniel, we're waiting for you there. Yes, you're meant to download it, Neka. Download Roblox Studio, okay? Not only if you've downloaded your Roblox Studio, just click on it. Then once you click on it, it's going to ask you to create an account. So are we all on the same page? If your Roblox studio is open, tell me open. If it's still not open, just tell me wait for me and we will do just that, okay? All right, so I can see that majority of us, our Roblox studio is open, so we are going to move on. So don't forget, we want to add our script to our workspace to so we can start scripting. So the first thing you're going to do, as we did yesterday, just click on new experience and then you wait for it to open. So you're with me, please click on new experience. Okay, so this is where we are now. Are we on the same page? Dear, what's the problem? Why do you want to share your screen? Are you having any issue there? Okay, so please, are we on the same page? If we're on the same page, type go on. If we are not on the same page, tell me hold on. So I am still waiting for. All right, go ahead and share your screen. I'm going to stop sharing now so I can assist you. All right. Um, what you're showing us currently is not your Roblox studio. This is not Roblox studio. You have to get Roblox studio. I think what you downloaded was just the normal Roblox, not Roblox Studio, because this is not how our own is looking like. Not this there, not that one. Go back. Okay. No. Wait, hold on. So yeah. Yes, you are going to this is what you're going to be. I think yours is different from our own. So this is what you're going to be using. Please stop sharing so that we can continue with the class, okay? Thank you very much, dear. Okay, so who am I still waiting for? Okay, Daniel, what requirements? If your parents are around, Daniel, if you can hear me, please ask them to assist you. I think it's on the part of creating an account. All right, we want to add our scripts. So please, are we all on the same page? Should I still wait for some people? Gotten here, please tell me you've gotten here. If you've not gotten here, tell me you've not gotten here. And then we will hold on for you to catch up, okay? Okay, dear, I'm waiting. Please, are we on the same page apart from Chiagozie and Daniel? Okay, no, and Nneka, right? Okay. Admin, sorry, you need to change your name so I won't actually be calling you this. But this is the name I'm seeing for now. So admin, should I go on? All right. So if you've gotten here, we want to add our scripts. Okay. So what you're going to do is, can you see what I'm doing? If not, what's the problem? So if you're here, please right click. Have you all right clicked? Can you see insert part? Please, if you're with me, let me know. Are we together? If you've gotten here, please click on insert part. So you're going to see something like this. Have you inserted your part? Guys, are we together? Have you inserted your part? All right. So I'm going to repeat that for those that requested that I repeat. So what you do is you're going to right click. When you right, you're going to see this dialog box. Now locate insert part. Click on it. I'm just going to leave it. This place my cursor is pointing at. Just click on it, okay? Once you've gotten your part, just let me know and then we'll move on. All right. All right, have we gotten that? I'm going to drop my own part so you're going to see how it looks like. So this is what I need you to drop on this your base plate. I am not sure about that, Chagoze. I don't know about that, but I'm sure that it works on laptop. Please, have we gotten to this part? Are we on the same page? Not only there, you have to download Roblox Studio so you can be able to join us for the classwork, okay? Please try and download it now, then you can join us. For the rest of us, have we gotten our part so that we can be able to add our script? All right, so if you've gotten your part, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to right click on that part again, then locate insert object. I'll take that again. If you click on your part, you right click, you locate insert object. Okay, so if you've gotten there, you click on object. On this search box, we are going to type script. So this is our script, and then we'll click on it. So we've successfully inserted our script. This is what the script looks like. So I'm going to close this, and then I'm going to repeat it again for those that didn't really get what I did. So what I said is if you click on your part, this is called a part. You right click, you locate insert object. Okay. Then when you click on insert object, on this search bar here, just type script. So this is the script we are taking. Don't take the local script and the one under it. We're just taking the script, the one that has a white pepper like something by the side. Just click on it and your script will come out. So if you've gotten your script, tell me I've gotten it. If you've not gotten it, tell me wait for me and I will wait for you, okay? Are we together, guys? All right. So aside from Thiago, is there any other person? All right, admin, we are still waiting there. Okay, there you have to try and open it, Nolly. Click on it, let it open, then you create an account. Okay, guys, we're still waiting. Click on it so that it will install and then you log in. All right, admin, are you done there? Chagaze, that's nice job. Okay, let's just hold on so that others can actually follow the class, okay? So because of time, we're going to move on. So we've seen how to add a script in our Roblox studio. Please, if you're still having issue, please just let me know so I can be able to assist you, okay? So we've seen how to actually insert a script. Now we are going to go on with the class before we start scripting properly for the day. Now what we're going to be looking at next is what are basic commands in Roblox. All right. What are basic commands in Roblox? Now basic commands are the simple instructions you write in Lua to control what happens in your Roblox game. So these basic commands, they are simple instructions you write in Lua. Don't forget, Lua is a programming language for Roblox to control what happens in your Roblox game. They are the first building blocks of scripting. We're going to see some of them and then we're going to see how to use them. Okay. So the first on our list is print. All right. So the print function displays messages in the output window. So there is I'll show you guys, but there is a window we call the output window, and that output window is just mainly for displaying messages. It's just to display message. You can't code there, you don't script there, okay? It's just to display whatever it is you've scripted before. All right. So we have part of the basic commands in Roblox, and one of them is print. Now, the print function is used to display message in that output window. All right. It is useful for texting codes, showing messages, etc. All right, so this is an example of the code. So we are going to go back to that script we just added and we are going to try this. We're going to try this, okay? So I'm going to share so that you see my Roblox. Give me a minute so that I can just share my screen with you and okay, so it's still coming up. All right, so this is what we have in our script. So I'm going to clear this. So the first thing you're going to do whenever you open your script is to just clear the default code you meet there. That's the code you meet there, just clear it. And then I'm going to put our own, which says print welcome to Roblox scripting. All right. So this is what we have with the print function. Don't forget the print function is just there to display your message in your output window. All right. So before then, I'm going to go over here. Go back here. Can you see this place one? Click on it. Then come to this script. All right. So have we all written this print welcome to Roblox scripting? Oh, Chegoze, sorry about that. I didn't actually do anything. I was just trying to fix some certain things in my own. I didn't do anything. But have you gotten to this level? We've already inserted our script. So what you're just going to do now is in that your inserted script, delete whatever you're seeing there and type what you're seeing on my screen. So I just zoomed in a little so you can see what you're going to type in your own script. Are we together? We are trying out the print function, which is under some of the basic commands in Roblox. If you've gotten to this stage, tell me you've gotten there. If you're not there, please tell me, wait for me, and I will do just that. All right. Guys, are we together? Have you gotten here? Please, if you've gotten to this stage, let me know. If you've not, just still let me know, then I can wait for you. Chiago said, are you still having issue? Nolly, are you with me? Admin, are you with me? Okay, so you're done with this, right? Nolly and Co. The rest I can't hear for you. I want to hear from you. All right, so if you've gotten to this stage, the next thing you have to do is to run the code. And how we run codes in Roblox is we click on the play button. So you have to come up here. Can you see this place they wrote test? Now this button is the play button. As you can see, the name is even coming out. So we have the play button, we have the pause button, that's the one that has double lines, that comes in double line, and then we have the stop button. All right, the play, the pause, and the stop. So we want to run our code. All you just have to do is click on the play button. All right, so the code currently is running, but we need to put. Have we all gotten to this stage? Please, if you've gotten here, let me know. Okay, Chiagoze, what's the problem? Okay, just click on play and then you're going to see this. So remember, what we are trying to do is to display a message. Welcome to scripting in Roblox. But if you look at our screen, you're not seeing anything, right? When you click on your play, you're not going to see anything. So what you're going to do is click on this script. Once you click on your play, come up on this your task bar, you're going to see where they wrote scripts. So once you see that, you're just going to look for output, which is this, and then you're going to click on it. So I'll just wait for you guys till you get to this stage before we move on. I'm going to take that again. Once you click on play, take your cursor up to this task bar. When you keep it here, there'll be a drop down. You're going to see script, format, find, go to line, and the rest of it. What I need you to click on is output. If you've clicked on output, tell me you've clicked on it. If you've not, tell me I've not. So I will wait for those that are yet to click on it, okay? All right, so I'm going to click on mine. This is the output. So if you look around, you are going to see script one on top. Can you see what is written there? And you see welcome to Roblox scripting. This was the one that was there before, but this is what we scripted. Welcome to Roblox scripting. So can you see it? When you click on it, this is to bring you back to our script. But if you go back, this is where we are, and this is what is showing. So this place that your message is actually displaying is what we call the output window. So it just displays messages. And what we just tried now is the print function. And that print function is specifically only for bringing out messages, just to display messages, okay? Yeah, I know. But did it bring out hello world for you? Chagoze, did it bring out hello world for you? Yeah, I'm trying to actually open that so I can see that. Uh-huh. You're correct. That's beautiful. That means you're following. That's nice. I love it, Chagoze. All right, so the rest, are we together? Have we gotten here? Chagoze, I've seen it. That's beautiful. For the rest, Daniel, I've not heard from you. Moiwa, Nnoli, what's the issue there? Oh my God, Nnoli, what's the problem? Click on it so that it will download. So it will install rather. Click on it. You've downloaded the installer. Beautiful. Now click on it to install. Once it's done installing, look for where it drops the file, open it, and then log in. Did you hear me? Daniel, admin, the rest, I can't, I need to hear from you guys. Nneka, are we together? All right, so we're going to move on. We're going to stop this code from running. So we've seen one of the basic commands, which is print. So I'm going to go back to the slide, then we'll see the rest and then still come back. Oh, sorry about that, Daniel. Yes, Chagoze, you can just click on stop. It will stop. All right, so we've seen print, which I told you it's a function that displays messages in the output window. So we've seen how it works, we've seen the output window, and we've seen our message displayed. So next on the basic commands in Roblox, we have what we call the variables. Now a variable is a container that stores information. Variable can store words, text, and numbers. Alright, so this is what we are going to try next. So don't forget I said that a variable is a container that stores informations in Roblox. So this is what we normally use to store informations in our scripts. Alright, so variables can store words, text, and numbers. So what you're going to do for me now is you are going to try this code on your Roblox studio, this particular one. Alright, so we'll do it together rather. Let me just switch my screen and then we'll do it together. Alright, so what we have to do now is we have to go back to our script. On top of here, you see place one and you see script. And you see my cursor where it's going to. Chagoze, don't worry, you're going to see it now. We're going to do it together, right? So you see place one and then you see script. Click on script. So I have to clear this up and then I'm going to be pasting what I asked, what we are going to be storing. We want to store the name David. So we want to store the name David. So I'm going to zoom in a little so you can see my screen. Can we all see it now? Okay, what you're going to clear that welcome to Roblox scripting. To just clean it off, then paste this one. So you're going to start with local player name equals to, that's the code you're writing in there now. That's the new code, the one you're seeing on your screen. So the function of this variable is that it's used to store information. So the information we're trying to store here is the player's name, and the player's name is David. It's on the screen there. Just copy what you're seeing. Just type in what you're seeing on the screen into your script. Okay. Please, once you're done, let me know. Once you're done typing this into your script, then tell me. Are we done? So are we done? I need your response. Are we done? Yeah, that's the name we are trying to store, David. For now. So let's try this. Then maybe once you see how it works, you can come back and store another name. But for now, we're using David. Yes, once you're done with that, you come down, then you write print in brackets, player name. So it will be able to display it. Okay, so yes, go ahead, Chagoze. So once you're done with this, once you're done writing this, no, no, don't write player name inside the bracket. Oh. Just don't write David. Instead, write player name so that what Roblox is going to display is David. But this is the code you're going to give it. So once you're done with this, as usual, we're going to click on play. So I'm going to click on output so we see. And as you can see, David is here. Can you see that? Chagoze, did your own work? Okay, they're welcome. We've not gone so far. You can just join us. Open your Roblox studio and then you can join us, okay? So this is the David that we are trying to store. Did you get yours? You can still move around, then I'm going to stop it. We're going to go back to code. I'm going to change this name from David to success. So this is another name that I want to store. So you can try that. If you once your David works, you can come back and try another name. So I'm going to click on play and see what happens. So this is it. My success is out. Okay. So if you've gotten to this stage, congratulations. That means you are following. If you're still having issues, don't hesitate to ask questions and then I'll put you through. Charles, I think you made a mistake. I think that's why it's coming out this way. So I'll go back to my script. Copy exactly what you're seeing on the script and paste it on your own. This is the script. This is what I need you to type. Exactly this. The way you're seeing it on the screen. Just type the same thing on your own and then click on play. Tell me what you get, okay? All right, for the rest, if you're just joining, welcome. For the rest of us that have been in the class, hope no issue. Have we gotten our name? Has it been displayed? Okay. All right, so I've zoomed in Daniel. Please do well to. Once you get it, just tell me. Let me know that you've gotten it, then we can go on. All right. So guys, are we done? All right. Chagoze, are you still having issues? Are you done? Have you gotten yours? Okay, Chagoze, did you type exactly what you're seeing on my screen? If you typed exactly this, you're meant to actually get the same results as I did. So try again, just look carefully. Is there any other person having issue? Chagoze, why can't I see anything in your output window? Please go back to your script, screenshot your script. Let me see what's there. All right. So since we are still waiting for some people at they try and make some corrections, we are going to move on because of time. Chagoze, please screenshot your script part so I can assist you. Let me know what's the problem. So back to our slide, we've seen two basic commands. We've seen print and now we've seen variable. Print to display messages and then variable to store informations. Okay, so now moving on. The next on the list is what we call the if statement. Now, an if statement helps the computer make decisions. You can explain it like if something is true, do this. So the if statement basically just helps the computer make decisions. For example, if it is raining, take an umbrella. If you're hungry, then eat food. Okay? That is what the if statement does. It just helps the computer make decision. And the code we are going to be using for that is this. So you're going to try that out for me. The local coin equals to 10. If coin equals to 10, then all right. So this is the complete. So where you're going to start from is the local coin down to end. Okay, Nathaniel, what part? Chiagozie, I asked you to actually screenshot your script, the script, not the output part. Screenshot your script. Let me know if you missed something. You know, one thing with coding is if you miss as small as a full stop, your code won't run properly. So please screenshot your script part. Okay, Nathaniel, you're welcome. So if you've added your script, we are trying out if statements. If you've added your script, we're trying out if statements. So what I need you to do is you're going to copy exactly what you're seeing here. Don't worry, let me do that. We are going to do it together. So I'm going to move back to my Roblox studio. So this is what I need you, Nathaniel, are you with me? This is what I need you to actually type in your script if you've added your script. You're going to find your script on your taskbar where you're going to see home, avatar, UI, then you're going to see scripts. Add it, then type this. Once you're done, click on play. When you click on play, go back to scripts and look for output so that it will be able to display whatever it is that you've typed in your script. Nathaniel, did you get what I said now? Chagoze, please screenshot your script part. Screenshot the script part and just send so I can see. Others are actually making use of this currently. Just screenshot the script and send so I can see where to assist you there. Can you hear me? Chagoze, have you gotten it? Has it worked? Oh, you're welcome, Olawale. What you just do is when you open your Roblox studio, insert your script. What we're doing now is scripting. Insert your script and then you're going to type exactly in your scene on your screen in your script. Can you hear me? To insert your script, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your base plate. That white stuff you're seeing in the middle that has some black lines is called a base plate. Right click on it. When you right click, locate where they wrote insert part. Click on it. Something that looks like a very tiny block is going to drop on top of your base plate. Now right click on it again and you're going to see insert object. Click on insert object. On the search box that will come out, type script. Then click on script and then you type this for me. For those joining, did you hear me? Are we together? Chiagoze there. Are you still here? All right, so try it out. I will be waiting for you guys. If you still have issues, don't hesitate to ask me and then I will help you out, okay? Nathaniel there, are you still here? Chiagoze, are you still here? Nolly, Daniel, are we still together? Admin. All right, beautiful. So have you okay, did it work? Has your Scripting, has it built? Oh, that's nice. Chagozi, has your own worked? Nice. Nathaniel, has yours worked? Okay, Nathaniel, where are you? Have you added your script? Have you added your script? All right. So I need you to type exactly this thing you're seeing on my screen. Have you typed it? Okay, so I'll just wait for you. Type exactly what you're seeing. Keep the equals to sign where you're seeing it. Keep every single thing the way you're seeing it. Once you're done typing, let me know. Or once you're done typing, click on play. Look at your screen. This is where the play button is. Can you see my cursor? That's where the play button is. So once you're done typing, click on play and then get back to me and then we'll continue. Please, for the rest, let's exercise some patience so that the rest will join us, okay? I don't want to leave anybody behind. Chagoze, you said you've written it. Has it worked? Please, if you're done, if you're on the same page, click type, just type move on. If you're not, type wait for me and then I'll wait for you, okay? Once you're done, just type done. If you're not on the same page with us, type wait for me and we'll wait for you, okay? Chagos, in this script that you sent to me now, okay. Okay, so have you tried running it? Did it work? You missed the exclamation mark in your print. For print, you have 10 coins, exclamation mark before you close it, and then you type end. Do you hear me? I've seen it. You missed an exclamation mark. Print, you have 10 coins, exclamation mark before you close it with the bracket. Then you run it. Okay? Okay. So because of time, we are going to move on. So we've seen three basic commands in Roblox. We've seen the print, we've seen the variable, and now we've seen the if statement. Okay, so the next on the list is what we call events. An event is something that happens in the game. Example, a player touches a block, a player clicks a button. Okay, are we together? Please, if we're together, tell me, just type go on. If we're not, do well to type wait for me. All right, Nnole, what you're going to do for me now is you're going to click on quick sign in. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't have account. Can you see the sign up down there? So you're going to click on that sign up. Nnole, did you hear me? Please, if you did, let me know. Click on sign up because you're just downloading it. You don't have an account. So you need to sign up. Click on sign up. All right. So click on sign up and then tell me the next thing you are seeing, okay? All right. So Chiagoze, run your code. Click on play and then show me what is you're seeing on the output window. Chiagoze, I said you should run your code. That's you should click on play. When I say run your code, I mean click on play. So click on play and then show me what you're seeing on your output window. Okay, so going on, as I said earlier, we have part of the basic commands in Roblox. We have what we call events, and an event is something that happens in a game. All right, for example, a player touches a block, a player clicks a button. Those things are part of events. All right. Now the next is what we have touched events. So we've seen what an event is, something that happens in a game. Now we have the touched event. Two different types. We have event and then the touched event. Chiagoze there, what are you asking for? I just said like you should show me what you're seeing in your output window. Screenshot it. When you run the code, show me what you're seeing in the output window. Like tell me if it has worked or not. That's what I'm trying to like ask you. All right. So for I've seen it. The code is correct. Chiagoze, it's correct. But I need you to run the code. The script is correct, but I need you to run the code. Did you hear me? I can't see it from the last picture, Chiagoze. Sorry about that. I can't actually see it from there. But I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing your output window. Go back to place one. Go back to place one. Click on place one. When you click on place one, screenshot what you're seeing around there and send to me. No problem. I know it's running. Just click on place one. All right. Sorry about that. So as I was saying, the touched event. The touched event happens when something touches a part. Okay. You remember we put a part before we started script earlier on. So the touch event happens when something touches that part. Now this is very useful for traps, reward blocks, magic doors, etc. Now this is the script we are going to be using to get that. So as usual, we're going to do it together so you see how it works. So I'm going to go back to my Roblox studio. Nolly dear, are you done? Chagoze, is it working? So I'm going to break this into parts so that you guys can see it. All right. So if you're done with the other one, this is what I need you to do. If you're done with if statements, this one is for the touched event. So here we are. Please type this, then click on play and tell me if it works or not. Chagoze, you're still on the script. What I asked for you to click on is place one. In this thing that you screenshotted for me, the picture you're showing me now, you can see place one and then there is script by the side. Can you hear me? So I need you to actually click on place one. What I'm seeing is still your script. Click on place one. So it will show me your game, your background. That's what I want to see. So Goze, please share your screen. Let me see what's going on. Please share your screen. Why did you clean the code? Put it back. Put it back so you can run it. Then I can check what is going on. Put it back there so I can see it. You know what? Stop sharing for the meantime. Write this one out. Can you hear me, Chagoze? Write this one out. If you're with me, just write this one out so I can use this and check what's going on, okay? Mm, no, it's not bringing out anything. Is it still loading or is it done loading? Nolly, can you hear me? Yes. Yes, do this, Nathaniel, but clean the other one, as in delete that other one that we wrote. That's for the if statement. Then put this one. Type this one from the beginning to the end. Please don't miss anything, okay? You know what's going to happen? Only close it and open it again so that we'll start it from the beginning. Can you hear me? Okay, Daniel, what's the issue? Where are you now? What we are doing now is the touched event. So we are done with if statement. Okay, we are done with that. What we are doing now is the touched event. So this is a new code. What you have to do for me on that your script, clean whatever that is there and then type this one you're seeing and then run the code and tell me what you're seeing. Once you run it, try and move around, hit the part that we put there and then see what it shows you. Chagoze, are you done so that you can share your screen? Then I will assist you. Chiagozie, can you hear me? Are you done? Yes, are you done with this one? Because I want to use this one and then trace the problem. So type this one and then once you're done typing, share your screen so I can assist you. Okay, Daniel, is your code running now? What's it showing you? Okay, so because of this class, I'm going to run my own code. So let's see what it's going to give us. So as usual, we're going to click on play. That's to run it. So once you're done typing, click on your place to run it. Can you see? So on my output window, this is our output window. So the block was touched. It's counting how many times the block was touched. Can you see down here under my hello world? So this is what was in our script when the block is touched. So this is what you should be seeing on your own. The block was touched. Then it's counting how many times. So I'm going to move. Can you see? The more I am moving, once I hit that part, that little white thing that looks like a block is what we are calling part. So once I hit it, can you see my see it have increased from 71 to 79. So that is what you're expected to see. So whatever happens whenever the part is touched is called the touched event command. Okay, so I'm going to stop running mine so that those that are yet to get the code will get it. So this is the code we are using. Daniel, have you run your code? Is it working? Chiagozie, are you done? Nathaniel, are you still with me? Nnoli, how far? Off. So Daniel, is yours working? Babatunde, is yours working? Chiagozie, is yours working? Chiagozie, are you done? Okay, so we're going to, okay, it is working beautiful. So we're going to move on. Let me switch back to our slide. So we're done seeing basic commands in Roblox. So we're going to try making things with it, right? So you've seen how to actually print a message. Uh-huh. So you're going to do that for me now. And the message I want you to print, this is the message I want everybody to print for me using the print function that we just did. But you can just make use of the code that you're seeing. But all I want to see in your output window is you touched the block. I want the other one was counting numbers, but now I want us to actually, when you touch the block, it will write you touched the block. Did you get that? Oh, sorry about that. Chakazi, where are you? Is it on the last code? Nole, have you logged in before? Before I started giving you this issue, have you logged in? Okay, before closing it. Okay, Chakazi screenshotted it. Just drop it here so I can see what's going on. Before closing it, were you able to put in anything? Like, did you start creating an account before you closed it? Nolly, please, once you're done with this part, once you've been able to print the message you touch the block when you touch that part, screenshot it and send so that I'll know that we are all following, okay? I know the class is a bit stressful, but please let's try. Nolly, just put an email and then a password. Click on sign in. Let me see what it will show you. Okay, did you hear me? Nathaniel, are you done with this? Have you been able to print a message that said you touched the block? The aim of this is when you're done typing this code, when you come out and you walk your character on top of the part, it should be able to write you touch the block. Okay, if you've not done that, try and do it. Everybody please try and do it, then I will do it for you, and if your own didn't work, you take corrections. But before then, try it on your own as I try and help others that are still behind, okay? If you still have issues, just call my attention. Nolly, have you done that? Chagos, I'm still waiting for your screenshot. Yeah, do this. Type this. Once you're done, run the code. Then you walk your character on top of the path. The message you're going to get in your output window is you touch the block. Sorry about that. So this is the code you're using, okay? Babatunde, yours didn't work. Did you type exactly where you are starting from is local path equals to workspace dot path. Babatunde, did you hear me? Where you're starting from is local path equals to workspace dot path. Type everything down to this end and run it. Try it again. You're welcome there. Chagos, I'm waiting for you. Nolly, I've not heard from you. Nathaniel, are you done? Daniel, I've not heard from you for a very long time. What's the problem? I hope you're with us. Sorry about that. I was trying to get a code for someone, for one of us. Chagoze, please check your private messages. I just sent you the code I need you to put. Just copy it exactly the way it is and paste it, then run it and tell me what you're seeing in your output window. Did you hear me, Chagoze? Nolly, use any email of your choice. Use an email, maybe your parents' email or something, and put a password. So how many of us are done with this? How many of us have been able to get the message you touched the block? Were we able to get it? Have you seen the code I sent to you, Chagoze? Okay, Daniel, thank you very much. So you're done. That's beautiful. Did he give you you touched the block? All right. For the sake of those that are lost, I'm just going to do it for you. So I'm going to pick this code, going to switch to my Roblox studio. Inside here, you're going to add heat because we are going to step on it. So we need this heat. So if you've not gotten the code, this is the code you're going to be using. So please copy exactly what you're seeing and then paste it on yours and then run it and let me know what you are seeing. Um, Chagos, I'm going to stop sharing my screen now. Please share yours so I can share your own. Are you with me? Okay. Did you copy exactly what I gave you? All right, go back there so I can see. Hmm. What are you doing? Please go back to that this thing and copy it again, then paste it. Local coin. No, that's highlight the one that is already there. Highlight everything. You know how to highlight? Good. Highlight everything, every single thing there. Chagozi, highlight everything. Thank you. Click on delete. Nice. Oh yeah, continue. Highlight the remaining and click on delete. Delete it. All right, scroll down. I think there's still the delete this one too. Delete every single thing. Before you add the script, make sure that you don't have any other one on it. So you're going to highlight every single thing under your script and delete it. Please delete every single thing. Go ahead. Go back. Just go back. Relax. Go back. Uh-huh. Okay, so everything is gone. Now go back to that our chat and pick the code. Nice. Go back to your studio, your Roblox studio. Control V to paste. Now run it. Did you see that? It's working. So that means the issue was from you. So before you put any extra code, make sure you clean every the old ones. Clean the old ones before you add the new one. Did you hear me? So you're going to stop sharing so I can show the rest, the one we are doing now, so that you so since you've gotten it, so make sure you clear that one that we just did now. and do this particular one we're doing. So give me a minute so I can share. All right. The next person I want to see the screen before we go ahead, before I show my screen is Nolly. Nolly, please, if you're here, share your screen before I go ahead. Nolly, can you hear me? Please share your screen so I can assist you. Okay, I think she's not nearby. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. I was in my Roblox studio, so I'm going to go back there. So this is what we are doing now. All right, Chagoze. So this is what you're going to delete the other one. Hope you're with me. Delete every single thing that is on that script and then type this one. Once you're done typing it, run it. Nathaniel, this is the one we are doing. Type this, run it, then walk your character to your path and watch it pop out this message. You touch the block. So please, everybody, go ahead. Nolly, dear, are you still with me? Nolly, please, don't screenshot it this way. I need to see the whole screen. Screenshot your whole screen. Let me understand what's going on. Screenshot everything, not just the username and the password. Screenshot everything. Let me know what's going on, okay? If you can hear me. Please, are we done with this code so that we can run it together and see what happens? So, Daniel, did yours work? Did yours work? Nice. That's beautiful. So, I'm going to run mine now and see what it gives me before I will continue. So, I'm going to run that. I think I have an issue with mine. I'm going to run that again. Phone location. So, I'm going to look for the issue. So please, are we done? I'm waiting for you guys. Once you're done, just say I'm done, then we'll move on. All right. Okay, beautiful. So we're moving on. If that other code didn't work for you, try this one. Okay, Chagos, we are still waiting, but please be fast. You know our time is already up. It's 6 already. Now relax. I want to check the image so I can assist you. Nolly, can you see that place they wrote forgot password or username? Click on it for me and show me what it brings out for you next. All right, so because of time, we are going to move on. I'm going to go back to our slide because we are not done. Oh. All right, so we are done with this. When we touch the part, it prints a message for us. So the next thing we are going to do now is this. We want when we touch the block, let it have a color, bright red. Okay. So try this. Once you're done, I'm going to show you how to do for random colors. No, are you done? So now we are at magic block. We want our part to change color. Whenever we run our code, let it be bright red. So once you're done, we are going to try out the one of when we touch it, it changes color. So let's be fast because our time is up. Are you done? Are we all done? Okay, so because of time, I'm just going to take your questions, and then if you have any challenge, let's fix it. We'll continue this class on Monday. We'll do the random color on by Monday. So please, if you have any question, let me know. If you still have issue, please let me know. But this is the one we are stopping for today. This magic block. We want whenever we run our code, let that our part be bright red. So please, if you have any question, let me know. Okay, no, let me see that. Okay, Nathaniel, what's the issue? Why is it telling you this? Now click on use phone instead. Let's see what happens. Click on use phone instead. Okay, Nathaniel, we didn't do much. I just asked you to type whatever you're seeing on my screen now. This is what the code we are working with. What you're seeing now. The script.parent.touch connect function, the rest of it. Just type it. On Monday, we'll just continue, we'll kick off from where we stopped today. Oh, sorry about that. So even if you're lost in this particular one, don't worry. On Monday, we're going to repeat this magic block on because we've not done the random colors. It's just because of time. Nolly, I think we'll have to solve this your problem offline because I have to end the class now. But because you're still having issues, we are going to. You've gotten it beautiful. Oh, that's very fast. No, Chiagozi, it's Monday. You know, our classes are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So the next class is on Monday. Okay. The office hour it's not for class. That one is just for inquiries. Okay. So we've come to the end of all right. We've come to the end of the class. Noli. Yes, for help. You can just on Saturday 4 to 5. On Saturday you can reach out to us. Okay, Noli, you can hear me. I think you have to end the class now. Or maybe you can chat me up later. Let me actually look at that at least before the next class. Let's try and figure out what's the problem. Did you hear me? No, are we together? Did you hear me? On the WhatsApp group chat. Yep. All right. So, Chiagoze, why? What's the problem? All right. So we've come to the end of today's class. I'm going to see you on Monday. Even if you didn't really follow, don't worry. On Monday will be better. Okay. So I'm going to see you on Monday. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye.
The recording has stopped.